I.
I.
Made.
A. Watch. What shape did you make? What shapes again?
Triangle. I made triangle.
Nice job, Amy. So next,
what? Shape. Next, what shape?
What shape? What shape is next? We already made a triangle. We still have a square, a circle, and a star. Do you want to make more triangles? Okay, tell me.
More. Empty. Triangle.
More triangles. Okay, that's great. We'll slide that one.